episode, we're doing Clarence NYC reacting to strangers in the hood. Let's get into it.
I want y'all to tell us who's the best one. You got me, Black. You want to flip it around? What? Let me hold this. Let me hold that.
Bro, that clip is the best part, bro.
Y'all
niggas not real smoking, bro.
With us. I'm gonna sit here and do this. They gotta finish this chip. $50.
Okay, so this is strangers in the hood doing a hot chip challenge. Okay, so let's see how this go.
Facts, niggas ain't no niggas don't know.
We're gonna let them know this high $50 to eat something for 20 seconds is a fucking deal. So we got like 6 motherfuckers.
What song is that in the back?
Start talking to females and eating.
So fresh and so clean.
Yeah, but I don't record it. I'm just gonna get a little bit more. I got some blogging shit to drop. DDG put me on game. If y'all see me in this video, we can flash back to that video.
Why you ain't tell me you was coming? This nigga Doug did not tell me he was coming. That nigga feeling like Doug.
Nah, I just ain't got no haircut. That's what it is.
I got to sit down with DDG. He actually put me on game and shit like that. We just gotta take this YouTube shit bigger.
Cornbread TV, we here with
Tony.
Okay, y'all, Tony. So right now we with Tony, and this is the hottest chip in the world. He just got to complete the chip and just get $50. So it's $50 for a chip. That's not too bad, is it? But it is the hottest chip in the world. It's just one chip. That's all it is. It's just one chip. You gotta open it up. You opening it, so you.
Well, it look like something too, bro. Woo! That's so clear.
Right here. This is the $50 right here.
$50 is crazy.
Is this a chip? Hold on, y'all. Calm down. Calm down. You already bit it. You might as well.
See, that's what you don't do. Don't just bite. Just throw the whole thing in your mouth and run off with the 50. You'll be done with it, right? Just eat it all at once. Experience the whole thing. You're gonna make it worse biting it, bro.
Do it.
You're gonna make it harder.
You're gonna make it harder. Just eat the whole thing.
The hottest chip.
No way, bro. His eyes is already watery, bro.
He got
Eat it. Oh, he done fucked up. He gonna eat it. He gonna eat it. Eat it. I'm good.
Let's do it. All right, now let's sit here. Here, you got the money. So let's just sit here with me. How did you feel about it?
It don't feel good. And I love hot shit. That's hot. Good God Almighty.
Can a man get some water? I mean, can I have 50 and a water? Somebody get that bro a water.
1 through 10, what do you give it?
The whole thing.
Nigga said
He said, how many numbers you got?
Real hot girl shit.
Nigga said the whole thing.
What's up? I love hot shit.
Okay, Megan. He said he like hot stuff. He said, what's up?
Hey, get me. No, I'm that boy.
I'm next.
Listen, I don't want. I look. It's hot.
I'm next.
All right.
I want to try. I'm gonna take that to the G. I'm gonna eat it one chip.
Bro, what, bro? Nah, bro. That nigga hurting, bro. He hurting.
One chip. I ain't gonna do all that.
He needs some milk. Give that brother some milk. Yeah, forget about the water. Give him some milk. Bro, get you some milk over there at the store.
What's your name?
Coda Jones.
All right. Do you like hot stuff?
Love it.
Okay. All right. So here's your chip. You open it at your own risk. How long have you been eating hot stuff?
It's an hour 8.
Hold on, y'all.
Eat it.
All right.
Eat it. Eat it, guys.
All right. How is it feeling? How's the chip? You can eat another one for another 50?
This one, yeah. I'm trying.
See? Bro, I'm not.
Blue. He said, this is some strange stuff. He said, let me finish this one first, bruh.
Fuck with bro. Why is his teeth blue, bro?
Thank you.
Why is this shit blue, bro? Like I got.
I think the chip was blue, but it was really dark blue and it make your teeth blue. But you know, If it's casting colors in your mouth and stuff, that it's gonna stay in your gum even after you swallow it, man.
A veneer.
That's about to go. Here it go. Woo!
How is it? 1 through 10.
1.
Do you regret
It
it?
looked like it's nasty versus hot to him. You know, I think he don't like the way it tastes, you know, which is tragic because it's all up on your gums, bruh. It turn your tongue and your teeth blue, like aquamarine. You type of like glow in the dark blue, bruh. He gonna need some milk and he gonna need some toothpaste or something to get that out his mouth.
Ain't no blowing.
Nope. I won't get that filter. It's military. Woo!
Bro, is that shit that hot, bro? That's Def Green, gang. I see blue. Who see blue? I see blue, gang.
Get him, y'all. Get him, y'all. What? Get him, y'all. See, I said it's hot. I ain't trying to kill nobody.
Forget about me. No. I'm not. See, you letting all the women go first. I don't want it. I'm ready. You had about 5 foot with you. Yes, you did. I remember.
No. If you...
No,
come on. All right, come on, Black. Would you do it again?
Nope.
Do you recommend anybody to do it?
If they want some money, goddamn, they'll be all right.
What it do, y'all? It's your boy, Funny Marco. We here with...
He said, you be all right, get your 50, but don't do it more than once. Not in the same sitting.
The Lord.
All right, let him know your Instagram name.
The Lord win.
All right, okay. So this is the hottest chip in the world. You said you want to take it?
Hell yeah.
All right, okay. Yeah, take it to your own risk. What's your strategy?
Ain't no strategy. Take that bit, buy it all in whole.
Huh?
Take the whole thing.
He got him a little accent. I think he might be all right, because, down south, they be doing all that hot stuff. They don't be feeling no pain, so... I don't know. I think he underestimated, but he got a good strategy. Just eat the whole thing.
Take the whole thing.
What do you mean by that? We're just talking about chips here.
Clare being petty.
A minute.
Man, stop playing with me, boy. I got a whole girl. See that motherfucker? All right.
Got you that.
Alright, they hot.
See, his mouth turning blue too. You could see his chin shaking when he was eating. Y'all saw that? He said, it's hot, all right. Now he gonna try to play it off though. I see him trying to play it off a little better than the other dudes. The other dudes is like, I don't care. It's hot and I don't feel good right now.
When they kick in.
Lil Lord.
I ain't gonna count.
That shit hot.
Bed kicked in. Now they been kicking. They be on the tongue.
Right.
Up to my sizzling. Oh, hell no. Go get my ice cream, gang. On my mama. Boy, I need that ice cream right now. He go to 5 swing on my mama. Oh, God. Boy, I need ice cream, twin, on my mama. Twin, I thought you were a cow. Why they on 5?
All right, come on. Talk to the camera.
Hey, if you want you some cheese, and you know me, and you know I like cheese, do it. Go ahead and do it. But make sure you be by the nearest store, boy, on my mama, boy.
What is it? What's making it hot? Is it the lips or the...
No, it's a tongue. They did 5. But I can't go. I'm going to, so give me 5. You bullshit.
Get your 50, boo. Don't leave without your money, bruh.
You sure you want to do it?
Yeah, I'm ready. Hey, what bad?
Get it, you get him.
They said, do what my woman did. It's on God, I'm going.
Buy a bag of ice, twin.
We
here with Cornbread TV. We here with
Shirley.
Are you sure this is the hottest chip in the world?
Don't
and this
give it
chip,
to Shirley,
as you seen,
bro.
people said not to do it. You still want to?
Don't give it to Shirley, bro. Not Auntie Shirley, bro.
Leave Auntie Shirley alone. Auntie Shirley need that 50, but still, I'm with you, Claire. Don't do that to Mama. You can't do this to Auntie. Don't do her like this. Come on, Shirley. We with you, sis. You got it.
Oh my God, not Auntie Shirley, gang. She's a little too old, bro. Oh my God.
Want to do it?
You know what I'm so good about hot shit? I love hot shit. I eat banana pepper. I eat I had a boss cook some motherfucking shit. I put it in my food. I couldn't eat it then, but.
Say laugh now, cry later. This is your chip. Hold on, y'all.
Well, come on, eat.
Nah, but women are different, bro. I'm not gonna lie. There's some in women that just like, they get it. Like, she done probably gave birth. Nigga, that is a walk in the park for her right there.
All right, let's stand back with me. Let's just get the after result. Let's give how you feel, bud.
Look, she don't care. She don't care, bro.
Could you give us a scale 1 to 10?
Nah. Nah, me, I like hot shit.
All right, we're just waiting. You already getting paid. I'm gonna pay you. You already here. I just want to see the result, though. Here you go. All right. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. It ain't here
She's
yet.
a warrior.
Oh, you gotta give it to me.
Hold on, y'all. Hold on.
Your eyes get red. Damn hood.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, that shit getting hot. I thought Shirley was about to eat that. I thought Shirley was about to eat that.
All right, hold on. Stay by me. Just stay by me. How you feel? How hot is it? 1 through.
Yeah, hot mother now. Don't get me wrong, like that hot. But I'm used to hot shit. Right. I'm used to hot shit. Don't bother me now. I eat hot shit. I love hot shit.
We here with
Strawberry.
huh?
Strawberry.
So do you like hot stuff?
Strawberry.
Okay, this is the hottest chip in the world, and they say it's dangerous. Not like So it's just $50 per chip. And that's it.
Yes. Yeah.
We're gonna ride this shit. Let them take a shot.
Okay.
It's all right. Get out. Once they're moving out. Swallow it fast as possible.
I get it.
Hot.
If you can break it down.
It ain't no spirit, just real hot. Like hot sauce, like tobacco, Mexican hot sauce, extra.
I don't want to do this.
It's just
gang.
real hot. It's like a bad spicy thing, but a sour got a bad taste into it. That's it.
Hey, boy, ain't no fucking way, boy.
Shorty took that.
TV we here with. All right, what are y'all?
Yeah, y'all don't mess with strawberry. She like, look, it's just, it don't taste well. It's nasty, but it's hot, but it's good, and I'm all right. All right, Miss Strawberry. She get that. Do that, girl. Do that for the ladies.
Boy, Cornbread TV. I'm here with.
Oh, murder.
All right, raggedy ass scooter just went past. All right, so
murder.
you like hot stuff?
Yeah, I love hot shit. I'm a hot nigga.
Look at him, y'all. He's still going crazy. Look.
He said he a hot boy.
All right, so this is the hottest chip episode where you got to just complete the chip, and it's for $50 just for the chip.
Cool. The chip ain't shit. I'm a hot nigga, like I said.
You a Megan Stallion?
Hot boy shit.
Okay. All right, so this is the hottest chip right here. Open at your own wrist.
Proceed with caution.
Proceed with caution to it. This shit ain't nothing, man.
That brother still got a popsicle. Lloyd got him a popsicle. He like, look. He like, bruh, I'm gonna eat this popsicle while I watch you do this. Bruh. He say, don't go for it.
Oh, this motherfucker look crazy, though, boy.
That shit look
Oh,
great.
what the fuck?
Oh, eat it. Come on, man. Let's go. How's it feeling, twin?
Man, it ain't nothing, man. It ain't nothing.
Yenix, thank you for the sub. Appreciate you, gang. Love
So
you.
what you give it? Like, what is the strategy
lifers.
on like making it nothing?
Ain't no strategy, man. You know, I grew up eating hot shit. Hot pepper, you know.
I don't like how they stain the teeth.
Damn.
Hold up.
It kick in. it kick in. It's like a 3, 2, 1 type deal, you know? Your brain be like, hold on, wait, hold on. All your nerve endings go to your tongue be like overpowering your senses, and your brain do that little brain fart and be like, you saw it? It happened with a lot of them. Like, they was okay the first 5 seconds, and then all of a sudden, it kicked their tongue, and look, now he done. He out there.
That be hit there.
But what the fuck?
He say, boy, what the oh, it broke the thug down. No, you know it started messing with the thug, you know?
Nigga, just stop.
What is it now?
That shit back, boy. That shit hotter than I am, boy.
Nigga said I take that shit back, boy.
Good God Almighty.
Just dance. Dance.
He said, good God Almighty. He praying and stuff. Y'all pray for the brother. He gonna be all right. Somebody get him some milk.
Dance.
Let me hit this.
You taking milk from brothers you don't know? He said, I hope you ain't got COVID, bro, because I'm drinking this.
How's it feel?
I can't even swallow this shit.
Don't throw up. Well, do you agree?
His throat is denying it. He can't swallow it.
Yes, I do. Oh my God.
What happened? Well, I thought you was a hot boy.
I am. This motherfucker is hotter than me. This shit got all spices on it.
He said it's hotter than me. It broke a hot boy down. He said, like, he really like, He said,
Nigga said this shit got all spices on it.
you know what? He looked at it. He the only one that actually looked at the chip and was like, what is all this business on this chip? You know what? Just like, you see, like, you bet on black. You see a black chip, run. Do not eat that.
Nah, this is a funny ass video, bro. Y'all wanna see me go through this, bro?
Oh shit.
Now, y'all know, the one thing that Claire and I got in common is that we do not like spicy stuff. Why y'all trying to get Claire to do this? You know Claire got a sensitive stomach. How long y'all been watching this channel? And we love y'all for that. But look, one thing I know about Claire, I ain't never met the man. You know, I love him and Queen dearly, right? I'm royal family. I'm Clare and Queen team, all that good stuff. And they, you know, if they knew about us and hopefully they watch our channel, they petty fan, right? Automatically, right? But don't y'all be putting Claire through this. Don't do it. Now, I care about him enough to say, don't do it, Claire. Even if it's good for videos and you get subs and you get liked and it go viral. All that's great. And you know we're going to record the whole thing. Of course, right? But don't do it. I don't want to see him go through this. If this bruh and 5 out of 10 of these brothers is not built for this, then I don't think Claire should do it. I mean, maybe Mod or somebody, but you know, Queen could do it maybe. But don't have Claire do this. Don't have the bro go out like this. Give Lee this chip. But don't you do this to Claire.
Yeah.
Mama,
you want the money?
Save me. I gotta go.
Thugs cry?
Yeah, we always do.
He said thugs cry. He said mama save me. That man trying to find a bathroom. Y'all playing? That thug running.
The guy, and he's heading for the sky. Everything he do, he's looking at you. Buddy Marco, the best man in the hood.
Want to go hang out with me in the hotel room later?
All right. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Click the bell and become part of the Know Squad. Bro, I got a pretty good voice. All right. Y'all have a good day. Bye-bye.